What's up, y'all? It's Elijah coming at you with another video from the UberLifestyle.com, your one-stop shop for all things ride-share and delivery alike. Coming at you raw and uncut, unedited video because I just got to show y'all something. Those of y'all that have been getting it in and applying the strategies I've been talking about, this won't be any surprise to y'all, but some people are still skeptical about, well, these Ubereatsers don't tip. Well, let's see about that. So let's pull up the Uber app. Go to earnings and $85.44 in tips for this week. And that's not counting cash tips. I've actually made around $25 in cash tips, but you know, if you don't want to count that, you see the $85. Let's go to Monday. You see the tips. You see the tips. Wednesday. See the tips. Thursday. See the tips. Friday. And yesterday, which I didn't do that much, but there's still a tip. How many times I gotta tell y'all that tipping is a skill set, guys? Apply the knowledge from part 6 of the Ubereats course and check out the video on why you're not getting good tips, because there's money out here and other drivers are getting that market share. If it's not working for you, you gotta reevaluate what you're doing. That does it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.